Welcome everyone to my new video on Solana price analysis and technical details for June 3rd, 2023. We're looking for discovering what's happening in the market. Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading, a full-time trader since 2014, mentor as well. We have a ChatGPT bot trading. Make sure to subscribe to our main YouTube channel to find out more about how does it work and all that stuff as well. Including we have a trading report. And I'll talk about it at the end, by the way. You can join without any prior fee, no cost, simple commission from pure profits. Very simple. However, let's see what's happening basically on Solana, which is ranked number 9. It has been performing very well, which means that it has outclassed Polygon. And we are doing on an 8% increase over the past 7 days. This is ranked quite well in the top 10. Because we only have Ripple doing better during this whole period. Other than that, Solana is basically outperforming all the other cryptocurrencies for this period. Meanwhile, we do have some strength coming into the space from Solana, aiming towards much higher levels. Let's discover the charts in order to see those. What we have here is very interesting, that there is a hidden zone of price action that determines the movement out of the breakout. We just broke out of this trending line and the movement came in very strong because the price action felt that. And we just got 6% in 10 hours straight away, and then we have been continuing basically the movement. It's still part of the rally, so you got 10% in 3 days out of a trending line breakout that was extremely clear. Although we had price action signals over there that were very bullish coming after strong purchases. There is so much entry representation here for longs, especially with leverage, that such trades cannot be missed at all. Now on the other side, what we have been establishing at the top is a very strong supply zone, which is why it keeps rejecting us, because this is a resistance level. This is a level of 21.2 up to 21.5, which acts with a major force of a selling pressure along the way with longs exiting. So from both actions you get the selling pressure activated, which is kind of retracing the markets back to the supports. We do have basically a demand area, which is also fulfilled by nice support and a golden ratio. The yellow lines over there are the golden ratios of the Fibonacci retracement. What we have is a simple squeezing momentum here in between the two zones. The price action is going flat and the volatility is always going to be ping pong between the zones unless we're actually going to dominate with a breakout. Now the breakout cannot happen if you don't have Bitcoin, if you don't have Ethereum performing similarly. And the problem is we have the S&P 500 markets in the tops. So if we don't get a rally by breaking the tops with the S&P 500 and continue at that, you're not going to see the crypto space exploding that easily. We need some major event to trigger the action, which is a breakout of the BTC. I mean, BTC definitely aims for high levels, but it needs to happen now. It cannot happen in 3 months because then the current structure is going to be lost. So you have levels above to talk about the 1.272 Fibonacci at $22.3, that light green line, and then the red line over there as well are major levels where the resistance is going to step in, including the conjunction. This is the strongest level, 23.3. If you get to see a swing high, you definitely want to exit at 23.3 or 23.2. Want to front run all the guys that are shorting. It's very interesting how does that work. But the idea is that another 10% here can be printed, but then the exit is a must, right? So that's something very important because retracement is needed as well. That's it, folks. That's pretty much all on Solana for today. Retracements are always going to find supports in the way the market is structured at the moment, so we're not going to have issues with that. And then Solana is looking forward increasing for the upcoming period. Now, For those of you that would like to find out more about our ChatGPT bot trading, it's very simple. We have our trading report here. There's two options on how you can join. Number one is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API permission. Option number two is actually coming with a monthly fixed fee, where you handle the signals we're delivering in the complete process. That's not outsourced, and you need some trading knowledge for that one as well. Option number one is completely outsourced, and we're just handling the trading through API permission. But then on the other side, we have the trading report with a performance. Our ChatGPT bot works on TradingView. We are actually having multiple indicators added towards the bot depending on how do we use it for day trading, swing trading, position trading, spot trading, a variety of ways of running simultaneously, putting out research on high frequency. This is very important. That's very simple, folks. Feel free to complete the form. Links can be discovered in the comments area or description area. Contact me for more information if you think this is for you. At the same time, for those of you that would like to become traders and they want to go through an educational process of one-on-one with me, make sure to check out this video till the end. Like, subscribe, and I see you next time. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.